Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and this is episode 2 of unboxing the new G2 LPS. Today I'll be opening the Mommy and Baby Tiger Cat set. So let's get opening! Here it is. It is really cute, and I'm just gonna get on and unbox it. So they are just so adorable. And this is my favorite pack so far that I've opened of the new G2 LPS. I just absolutely love them. So the mommy cat is wearing a silver bow with some pink in the middle. And then the baby has a cute little LPS cushion. It's really cute. And I absolutely love them. Oh, I'm just gonna slip out this token and I am going to scan it. So let's get scanning. Ashley is just on the LPS app and she is scanning the token. And you get 200 kibble and 1 balloon. Guys, so I am just going to pull out the LPS leaflet and show you guys. By the way, Ashley is here.
Hey guys! Oops, this little shark.
Okay, so I'll just show you the leaflet. So here is the brochure, and over here, that's the tiger cat and its baby. Oh, it's so cute. And their numbers are 3,585 and 3,586. Okay guys, so that was episode 2 of opening the new G2 LPS. Be sure to watch the next episodes and be sure to watch my last episode too. Bye! Like, comment, and subscribe.